Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable the webcam camera on your Windows. And let's see what will happen if we're going to disable the camera or the webcam on our Windows. So how can we do that? In the Windows search bar right here, type device manager. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Then here in the device manager window, look for the cameras, this one. Make a right click and you'll find the option right here. Now currently our camera is enabled, so let's bring up our camera. Open it. So currently our camera is enabled. Now let's see as to what will happen if we are going to disable the camera in the task manager. Now simply make a right click on the camera on the device manager and then select disable. Now currently we are enabled, so that's why we can use the camera. But if we're going to disable it, click on yes. Your camera will not work and you'll face this error. We can find your camera error code 0xa00F4244. Now that is how you can disable the webcam camera on your Windows, and you're going to face this error and you cannot use your camera. So on how you can enable that so that you can use your camera, in the device manager, the same window, click on cameras, right click on your camera and then select enable device. So here you can simply use your camera again. So this is just a very simple way on how you can enable or disable the camera on your Windows. And also this is a great fix on disabling and enabling your camera, especially if this is not working, camera is not working, and also if this faces like black screen. So enabling and disabling it can help you in fixing the issue. So this is how you can enable and disable the webcam camera on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.